Deliberations have begun in the Richard Wilburn case. Both sides giving their closing arguments today, wrapping up a 5-week-long trial. Wilburn is accused of robbing the Xerox Federal Credit Union in Webster and killing a man in the process way back in 2003. He was wearing an FBI jacket, a fake FBI jacket, during this crime. Kayla Green was in the courtroom today and tells us how both sides wrapped up their cases.
Hiding in plain sight or not hiding at all? That's the final question both prosecutors and defense attorneys left for the jury this afternoon as they were sent off to deliberate Richard Wilburn's fate. From the beginning, both sides have been saying this case is about DNA and identification. Richard Wilburn is accused of robbing the Xerox Federal Credit Union in Webster back in 2003 and shooting and killing Raymond Batesel in the process. Each side has different opinions about the DNA evidence. Prosecutors say it's Wilburn's. Defense says it's not reliable enough to be sure beyond a reasonable doubt. They make the same argument about the identity of the man in surveillance photos. Defense says photo quality isn't good enough to prove it's Wilburn. Prosecutors say factors like the wig, FBI jacket, and height add up, along with witness testimony that it's him.
Overall, each side simplified their arguments down to a few points. Prosecutors say the DNA is there, desperation is the motive, and there's enough proof that Wilburn is in the photo. Defense says the DNA isn't conclusive and people were influenced to believe the man in the photo is Wilburn, but didn't have the thought themselves originally. They say there's just not enough evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Wilburn did this. Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you. The jury has started deliberating and will do that until 8 tonight. If they don't reach a verdict tonight, they'll be back tomorrow morning, and they will go into next week if needed.